Hello there. My name's Wendolyn Davis. I'm passionate about health and wellness and overcoming and becoming and having a healthy mind, healthy heart, and healthy relationships. And it's so fulfilling to take care of ourselves. And one of the things we can do is make sure we're eating good, healthy food. And there's so many options and so many ways to make fast food because we're usually on the go, right? And we don't want to spend hours in the kitchen. So yesterday I recorded a video with a few main proteins. One of them was a whole chicken, and the other one, it called for lamb steaks, which I just put in the oven, and the chicken was in the crock pot. So that was easy. And if you don't want to try lamb steaks, use a roast. Recipes are adaptable where you're figuring out what works for you. So today's video, I just wanted to give you a few more ideas for some quick meals. With that whole chicken, I took all the meat off, and then I like to make bone broth with it. So I put it back in the crock pot, and I left some of the original juices in there. And then I filled it up to like 3/4 full of water. I added a whole onion, a big one, and just quartered it because you don't have to dice it because we're going to throw it away after. And I put in 4 carrots, and you can add celery if you have it. I didn't have any. And I added a few more garlic cloves and a few bay leaves. And then I added a tablespoon of rock salt, and it's just going to cook for 24 hours. Here in a couple hours, I'm just going to pour it in a colander into another container, wait till it cools down, and I'm going to put it in jars and put it in the freezer. I use that to make a chicken soup, which I absolutely love, which is easy. So I'm going to take 1.5 cups of the bone broth, and I'm going to add about 1/2 cup of the diced chicken, and the other half I put in the freezer, which is nice for backup when I don't want to cook. I do love this bone broth protein. It's by Paleo Valley, and it is very savory, like it says, and I just put a scoop in. And then I like to add rice. So tonight I will make the rice, and then I will put like 1/2 cup in there, and then I can use that with other dishes as well throughout the week. So easy peasy for a chicken soup. Another quick thing is cod. So it defrosts quick. And then I just cook it in a little bit of coconut oil with salt and pepper it. And I can have the rice with it, and then that carrot detox salad, or a sweet potato, or whatever else I'm in the mood for. My new favorite is to take like a cup of pineapple and dice it, and then also cook that in a little bit of coconut oil. And then to put the cooked pineapple on top of the cod, it's really good. Or if you don't like cod, maybe you like shrimp. This is easy as well. It's quick to defrost. And just cooking a little bit of coconut oil. I'm not fancy on how to cook these things. I just like what's easy, and it tastes fine to me, so I'm good with that. Just sharing, and you do what works for you. So it's nice to have the food on hand. That is my fast food. And having less brain drama is worth it. Planning's where you get your power. So when you come home hungry from work, you're not going to make good choices unless you've kind of thought it out and you have stuff on hand. It's less stress. What if you just planned a couple days ahead and know exactly what you're going to eat? Try it, my friends. I promise. It's less drama, and it's great that I know what I'm eating today and tomorrow and the next day. Actually, the whole week, I know what I'm eating. Yay. And if I want to mix things up, I can, because there's options. There's just a few ideas for you to make some quick meals that are fast and easy. And then my new favorite snack, sweet potato sticks. They were at Costco, and I'm like, wow, these are really good. So wherever you are, spend that little bit of time in the kitchen. Planning's where we get our power. And you know, I am so passionate about helping you overcome to become. Wherever you're stuck in your journey, I'm here to help you get off autopilot. Because a lot of us are doing the same things over and over and over, and then we wonder why we get the same results. Doesn't work very well, does it? And so if you want to break that pattern and break the habits that aren't serving you to create new ones, that's what I do. And it's so life-changing. And I love these people I get to work with. The feedback, it just warms my heart to help you see that you have everything you need within you to overcome and become and kick butt on the fear and the doubt and the overwhelm and the frustration and the irritation and the stress that is so readily available. Our brain automatically looks for what's wrong, but what's right is also available. So what are you waiting for? Go sign up for that free consult. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.